Hi guys, today we will make a modern art using triangles. So this will be our modern art. How do you like? Now let's see how it works. And we will do not need more lines of code to make this pattern. Yeah, so our design has been completed. Now let's code in the trinket. So I've created a new trinket here. I will name this trinket as modern art and I will change the size to big, and the first hashtag exclamation mark / grain / python 3. If you are using offline version of Python, do not write this first line of code. I am using this online version, so I am writing this code. I have given in my channel how to download Python 3. You can download it. Now from turtle import star. Star means everything from the turtle library. Here we will use list1 brackets. In the brackets you can write the colors you want, but before writing colors, write a apostrophe. In the apostrophe you can write the first color, green. I am writing first color, and then after apostrophe, but before the close bracket, write comma, and you can write forward the another color. So I will write it. So I have created my list. Here you can see. You can copy my colors also. And do not forget to write list1 equals and then write all the colors and enter. And here I will use for loop. For I in range, here I will use 500. My range will be 500. Enter. Color, write the American spelling COLOR, brackets, list1 space square brackets, and here I will type I shift 5 and 7. Now I will use pen size, brackets, I divided by 3. FD means forward, I steps means the I here, this one I, and here LT means left to 120 degrees and right to 10 degrees. Now let's check. It is taking more time, so I will say speed bracket 0. It is making the pattern. You can change the range also. So I will try by changing the LT to 45. It is making like this now, 46. Here I will do 81. you can make the patterns like this also. Now let's do by changing LT to 5 and no 1, not 1, it will do not make anything, it will just draw the line. LT to 21. Oh, very large. 144. Yeah, I thought it will make a star and it is making a star. And here inside, if you see, it is making a pattern. Like here it was making of triangles, here also it is making. But I think it is making a using triangle only it is making. Now I will do from 144 to 136. So you can try by using different shapes, not shapes, different degrees also. So bye bye, but do not forget to save here, otherwise it will not save your project. So bye bye.